Alright, this short video is about files. So we have a Python program. This is the program I have, py-fill.py. So I'm creating a file and then I'm reading the file. So simple operation to create a file and then read the file. So these lines, this is the line actually. The first line creates the file. So the W tells that a write action is to be done. This is the name of the file to be created. And this is what is called a file handle. So before any file operation, you use a handle, the open method, name of the file, and the write mode. So this creates the file. I put two lines in the file, and this is how I do it. Handle.write line 1. I add a new line and then line 2. And then I have to close the file by using handle.close method. So simple open operation, creating a file with this key, and then creating the file, adding these lines in the file with the write command. These lines take care of reading the file. This line actually reads the file. Again, we are using a file handle. And this simple code snippet here is to count the number of lines in the file. So I add two lines, first line and second line. This program counts the lines in the file and prints 2. It should print 2 after, of course, creating the file. So let me show you. So you can see the output.txt file is not there when I did a listing. So I run this thing. Now I get the number of lines as 2. So let's see if the file is created. There you go. So this program creates the file. Let's see what's in the file. Adds two lines as per our code. Counts this logic and prints. So we have two lines in the file. So simple open method. Let me put the file again. Open method with this W creates the file. We add the lines to the file and then we close the file. This is important. Then you read the file, go line by line and print the number of lines. So very easy way to read and write files in Python. So simple example. Hope you guys liked it. Comments, any other things. There are some other operations you can do with files, but this is the basic read and write. So hope you guys liked it. Comment, subscribe if you wish to. Thank you.